turn. A.
Hello everyone, I am Sarah and I am your English teacher for the coming few weeks. During this course, we will look at 3 key areas: 3-period lesson, vocabulary and phonics. All audio and visual aids have been listed in the description below for your convenience. Don't forget to click subscribe. Let's get started. This is a lowercase a. This is an uppercase a. Very good! Now it's time for phonics. A sounds a. Amazing! Now let's do vocabulary. A for apple, apple, apple. A for ant, ant, ant. A for anchor, anchor, anchor. A for arrow, arrow, arrow. Yay! We are done with our first lesson. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more lessons coming soon.